Guys, it's John from Side Hustle Experiment. I'm at the warehouse this morning, and today I wanted to talk to you about a book that I sold on eBay for $109. It was actually in bad shape. It sells on Amazon for, hold on here, saying $165 right now. I don't know. It seems hit or miss. It seems pretty inflated, but let's get into it. So, this is the book. It's Kung Fu Panda. The Art of DreamWorks Kung Fu Panda. Prefaced by Jack Black, written by Tracy Miller Zarn. Here it is. The cover was totally ripped, as you can see there. Right there. I did tape it. The back has some tape issues. But it's actually a really nice book inside. It has a lot of animation stuff. Pretty much everything about the movie. I don't really know too much about Kung Fu Panda, why it sold for so much. It said the book was originally $45. But I kind of want to go over how I came across this. So I came across this when we were scanning books in a Gaylord. If you're new to the channel, a Gaylord is basically a huge box of books, like right there. And it came up, obviously, a very high price. I did not send it to Amazon, even though I can make more money on Amazon. It's kind of dicey. I think when you list something right now at the $165 it's listed at, a lot of the times those are getting knocked down as potential high price errors. So it's just going to create a headache. And now Amazon basically caps you. They'll be like, oh, you could only sell this for, $50. It's the highest you could charge. I don't even know how that's possible, but that's what's going on. And also, the book is obviously ripped. I mean, if you paid $165 for this, on Amazon, you don't get to see the photos. So when I took photos of this, I made to make sure to mention that the cover was ripped. It's been taped. The book is, I put it in acceptable condition. If you put it in acceptable condition on Amazon, one, most people don't read the descriptions, so it's better to take the safer route and list it on eBay. Two, in this case, the person got to see the pictures, so they know exactly what they're buying. I think if I listed this on Amazon, it definitely would have got returned. Most people don't read the descriptions. And number two, or I think I'm on number three, I kind of wanted to try it, right? This is in not great condition. $100 for a book that's in with a ripped dust jacket is crazy to me. And this sold within 24 hours. I listed this yesterday, maybe, I don't know, 1 o'clock. It sold by 8 or 9 p.m. yesterday. So, couple things here. Always give it a shot, right? So, I listed it on eBay. I didn't know if it was going to sell or not, but what's the worst case scenario? So, worst case scenario, it doesn't sell. Then I just get rid of it in a couple months or whatever. Give it to my dud buyer. So that is what I want to talk to you about today. So some big takeaways. Always give it a shot. Always list it. You just never know. Another hack that you could use for this, if you had another book, I am not 100% suggesting this, but I have done it before and had success with it. Instead of sending the book into Amazon like this, I would take the dust jacket off. So I would just send the book like this. And in the listing, I would describe that the book does not have a dust jacket and list it in acceptable condition. I've done that before with books that are, the dust jacket's in really bad shape. There's really no taping it. And basically, if I got the book, I'd be like, this is terrible. I don't know why this was sent like this. I want to return it. But yeah, so that's another thing you could do if you really wanted to sell it on Amazon. But again, guys, eBay is great for being able to move books like this, where you really, really should show the customer a photo of what they're going to get. So yeah, it was a great sale. Went for $109 plus shipping. So yeah, Friday's off to a great start. Please like the video. If you found it helpful, please subscribe to the channel. It means a lot to me. And I will see you guys in the next video.